No, that's the O2 sensor, but there's a sensor wire up there I want to get to for the skip shift. It's this little thing that pops up on your screen. It wants you to skip shifts from 1 to 4 to save fuel. I don't know why Chevy did it, but they did it. Alright, so we're under the car here, and I can see the skip shift sensor plug. It is that one there, the blue one with the white. So I have a I don't know exactly what it is. I guess there's a resistor in this end, and then this plugs in, and they give you the same color cap to plug the other side. I can't remember exactly what brand this is, but I got it 3 years ago with my other SS1LE, and when I traded in, I took this off. So I'm gonna try and get up in there and take that out. Let's see. So of course it's attached to the transmission. You can't pull it out. So I might have to get a long flathead to pop that off. Wish my hands were a little smaller. I could do it, no problem. So on the bottom side, I'm lifting the tab, pulling slightly on the wire, and it popped right out. So now I'm going to plug this in. This way. And there. Now the skip shift sensor is working, or bypassed. But now I want to plug the other side with this, which is going to be hard. This is actually really hard. They obviously connect all the wiring before they lift the tranny up in here. I think I got it. I just gotta push it on. It's lined up. Okay, I got it. Alright, let's see. So I have the cap on up there. And that's the skip shift sensor. So that's just located around where the secondary cats are, above this sensor. So I'm just gonna zip tie this out of the way. Let's do this hard line. Zip tie the actual resistor. That way it's more secure. I think one zip tie is good. Never have to remove it. It's right there. Alright, so I got all the parts of the JLT performance intake here on the bench. I love that the filter is red. It's going to match my theme. There's not a lot of parts to it. It's probably pretty straightforward once I take off the stock one. I don't think I'm going to read the instructions. That's the goal right there. So yeah, let's get at her. So to remove this sensor, it is a T20, Torx 20. push this gray tab in and pull. Yep.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Alright, so that install was pretty easy. Pretty much there's just a 10 mil that you take out right here on the main frame. You saw me just, I put the filter in here first, put that on, and then got this side in next. This is a little vacuum line that goes on. You screwed back on the mass airflow sensor. And yeah, my main goal with this intake wasn't really for performance. It was trying to get a little bit more supercharger whine out of the engine. So let's start her up. Let it warm up for a sec. See what she sounds like. What's up, guys? So I'm gonna do a little pull here, see what it sounds like, see if we can hear see if the JLT intake has done a little bit of sound or anything. We'll see. See if we can hear the supercharger whine a little more. Definitely hear the supercharger whine a lot more with this cold air intake.